Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Ernesto multi-purpose grinder for use with vegetables, fruit, chocolates and hard cheese. We can see some pictures, 3 years warranty, rust-free stainless steel, 7 pieces included inside. You can cut with his 7 pieces. Some specs from the other side. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside, and of course we're going to test it to see how it works. Inside we've got some manuals if you would really did your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Now, we've got the first knife and the second knife. Nice. We've got the Julian Attachment. Many knives, vertical. The fine Zester. And the Grater. I don't see anything else inside. And how it works, it's very easy, just insert that inside and you can work with this smaller one, the Julian Attachment. You can slide it here. Last we have this piece that it will help you to grab. We've got 4 needles here, it will grab it and then you can slice it and you can work very easy. Well, let's test it to see how it works. We can see we've got these knots here, so it's very suitable. It fits on a bowl wherever you want to put it, on a dish. You can wash it on a dishwasher. Now, first I will try the Grater. We can insert it here. And let's take the onion, as you can see. Now, because there is a gap here, you need to insert that plastic from the other side. Julian's Attachment, just slide it for the other side and you can fill the gap. By working, you can press this plastic and will reveal more of the onion. And there we are. Nice work. Of course, we've got some of the onion from the top. This, unfortunately, if you can do it with your hands, not so much, because you may cut yourself. Just throw it to the garbage or put it to wherever you're cooking inside. Now next we can try the potatoes. I will change this blade, the slicer fine. And again, grab this, put it here and start to slice. And it's very easy, it cuts very nice, stainless steel. And then you can have a slice of potatoes. Next we have these carrots. Again, I will change that. And let's put the fine Zester. This you can use with your hand. And you can see, very nice. Of course, you can use it and with this Grater with no problem, or with the slice fine. Why not? It depends what you want to do. We have this cucumber with slicing. Now, if you want, you can use the other slicer course. It has a different gap here, and that it will make a bit thinner or less thinner, whatever you're cutting. And you can see here, different sizes, thinner, less thinner. That's nice. Now I want to try this Julian's attachment. Put it here. Let's try it with a carrot. You can see it can do thinner pieces. Be careful when you're cutting with that. You might hurt your hand. And you can see you can make thinner for the carrot. Now again, let's put it from the other side. I will try this Grater with this pinch. Grab it in here and here. Be careful that how you're going to cut it, because inside there is a big seed. That's more, you can try it with your hand. And there you've got. Nice, very yummy. Definitely you can make a healthy food with that. And guys, it cost only 5 euros. Yes, only 5 euros. And you can see what we can do. Of course, there are varieties of fruits and vegetables that you can use. Or for chocolate and hard cheese. Definitely it will do the job. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it. And don't forget, hit the notification bell, because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.